Waitikubuli. Tall is her body, is the name we gave to this island when we arrived over 1,000 years ago. And we are still here. This is Dominica, the nature island of the Caribbean. Today we are a vibrant nation of friendly people, rich culture. Here, community is at the center of life. We are Caribbean people who still smile to welcome a visitor. Here, exchange is not about money, but a gift to a neighbor. And time is measured by the joys of life. You have stepped through a door into a world of adventure. Our annual World Creole Music Festival, Carnival. Our unique nation has become a popular port of call while remaining true to our heritage. In the heart of Roseau, the visitor will find a historical district of 18th century French architecture, duty-free shops, restaurants, charming hotels and cafes. In Dominica, you will experience the way the world was meant to be. Until now, you never thought of green as a color that could dazzle. Take a deep breath. Let the liquid sunshine wash over you like 1,000 blessings. Each gentle rainforest trail contains great secrets. The second largest boiling lake in the world lies in the heart of Mont Torpito National Park, a sanctuary of natural wonders found nowhere else on Earth. Declared for its unique biodiversity, our national park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Dominica's most spectacular marine reserve is in the south, the Soufriere Scott's Head Marine Reserve, a submerged volcanic crater teeming with life. For explorers, some of the most dramatic diving in the Caribbean. Dive into a volcano. Dominica's mountains continue underwater, another 200 meters, offering spectacular wall dives. Our rich marine environment has made Dominica a leading dolphin and whale watching destination. Our charming inns are mostly family run. Here the focus is on providing a very personal, individual experience with facilities designed to respect the natural environment. As if by design, at the end of each day, natural hot springs await. An invitation to unwind. Dominica is a world where the last indigenous people of the Caribbean islands still live. The name Caribbean comes from the Carib people, as does the name of our island, Waitikubuli. Tall is her body. Dominica, the nature island of the Caribbean, an English-speaking island in the Eastern Caribbean between the French islands of Guadeloupe and Martinique.
Travel direct to Dominica from Puerto Rico, Barbados, Antigua, St. Lucia, or the French islands of Guadeloupe and Martinique. Regional carriers provide connections to Dominica from all other Caribbean islands. Ask your travel agent for details. And remember, it's not the Dominican Republic. We are Dominica, the nature island of the Caribbean.